Host, smiling. Hey there, iPhone users. Are you tired of your battery draining quickly? Well, you've come to the right place. In today's video, we're going to show you some practical solutions to solve your iPhone battery problems once and for all. So, let's get started. Transition to a close-up shot of the iPhone settings. Host, the first step in addressing battery issues is to check your settings. Go to your Settings app, then Battery, and tap on Battery Health. Here, you'll find important information about your battery's maximum capacity and its performance management settings. Host, if your battery health is significantly degraded or if you see a message like your battery's health is significantly degraded, it may be time to consider replacing the battery. Contact Apple or visit an authorized service center for assistance. Host, another practical solution is to use a battery case. These cases not only protect your iPhone but also provide an additional power source. They come in various capacities and styles, allowing you to choose the one that suits your needs. Host, next, let's talk about optimizing your iPhone's settings to conserve battery life. Start by adjusting the brightness level of your screen. Lowering it or enabling auto brightness can make a significant difference. Host, background app refresh is another feature that can drain your battery unnecessarily. By disabling this feature for apps that you don't frequently use, you can extend your battery life. Host, now, let's discuss one of the most common culprits behind battery drain, rogue apps. Some apps can run in the background and consume power even when you're not using them. To check which apps are the main offenders, go to Settings, Battery, and scroll down to see the battery usage of each app. Host, if you notice any app consuming an excessive amount of power, you may consider force quitting or even uninstalling it to save battery life. Host, updating your iPhone software is crucial for maintaining battery performance. Apple regularly releases updates that include bug fixes and optimizations, which can significantly improve battery life. So, make sure to keep your iPhone up to date. Host, finally, it's worth mentioning that a factory reset can sometimes resolve persistent battery issues. However, this should be considered as a last resort, as it erases all data on your device. Remember to back up your iPhone before proceeding with a factory reset. Host, and there you have it, folks. By following these tips and tricks, you can solve your iPhone battery problems and enjoy a longer-lasting battery life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Closing shot, host waving goodbye. Thanks for watching, and happy iPhone ANG. End screen with channel logo, subscription button, and suggested videos.